Hello, I'm Grace. Analysts suggest that Samsung Electronics has entered a powerful growth trajectory driven by semiconductors, forecasting record-breaking second quarter results. According to recently released reports, Samsung's second quarter revenue is projected to reach approximately 182 trillion Korean won, approximately 132 billion USD, with an operating profit of 86 trillion won. This figure closely aligns with the market consensus of 85 trillion won, suggesting that the company's profitability is maintaining a stable trend. Notably, however, the calculation of these results includes a significant 16.3 trillion won provision for bonuses within the semiconductor division. While previous estimates placed this provision at around 9.5 trillion won, the figure was sharply adjusted upward as first-quarter provisions were temporarily reflected in the second quarter. Despite these accounting fluctuations, the profitability outlook for the memory business remains positive, with forecasts revised upward from 80 trillion won to 84 trillion won. The primary driver of this improved profitability is the rising price of server DRAM, leading to an upward revision of the average selling price growth assumption from 50% to 55%. This signifies more than a simple price hike. It represents a structural shift in the memory market, proving that demand for high-performance products is driving earnings. While there are concerns regarding slowing profitability in the device business, including smartphones, the company is mitigating this decline by shifting its sales mix toward premium products. The foundry division is also showing signs of recovery, limiting its deficit to approximately 500 billion won with the goal of achieving quarterly profitability in the second half of the year. Uncertainties that have recently plagued the market, such as AI model efficiency issues and labor management risks, appear to be largely in the process of being resolved. Current market demand is closely linked to the revenue growth of cloud companies, with particularly strong customer demand for high-bandwidth memory, HBM. Samsung's plan to invest an astronomical 2,100 trillion won in the memory sector by 2040 is interpreted as a strategic move to prepare for this explosive future demand. Looking at the future earnings structure, a virtuous cycle is expected to form, with rising product prices driving profits in the third quarter and increased shipments doing so in the fourth quarter. In conclusion, Samsung Electronics is poised to maintain its supergap semiconductor leadership, with projected operating profits reaching an overwhelming 372 trillion won in 2026 and 565 trillion won in 2027. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.